Well, there was nobody, not even Chad Daybell, allowed inside the courtroom due to COVID-19 precautions. Instead, he sat next door in the jail with his third defense attorney of the year by his side. They asked him if he understood his rights. He said yes. And then they talked about his bail because the charges he's facing so far only carry a minor sentence compared to something a little bit more violent. His defense attorney argued for $50,000. Instead, it was set at $1 million, as prosecutors confirmed the human remains found in Chad Daybell's yard belonged to 2 children. Shortly after that hearing, family members confirmed those are the remains of who we have been looking for 9 months. They have finally found JJ and Tylee.
Your Honor, we understand that the possible sentence on this case is not that long, but knowing what the subject matter is, we find it extremely serious. Clearly, this is the beginning now of an investigation into the deaths of children who are found on his property.
That $1 million bond is the same amount Lori Vallow has been struggling to post as she sits about 12 miles away at the Madison County Jail. Another topic that came up today is how Chad Daybell was arrested. Police served the search warrant at 7 a.m. They arrested him at about 11:30 as he was driving away. Our witnesses say it looked like he was driving fast. His defense attorney says Chad Daybell was not trying to get away.
When the police showed up at his house last night, Mr. Daybell didn't flee. Mr. Daybell didn't abscond. Mr. Daybell didn't run. Mr. Daybell's intention was, through his counsel, to turn himself into the court if that was something that was going to happen and address these issues.
So far, police are not letting the public know how they knew where to dig in Chad Daybell's yard to find the remains of JJ and Tylee. That search warrant is sealed, and so is the rest of the evidence that led police to make this specific arrest on these 2 specific charges. We expect to get more details on that investigation at his next court date on July 1st. Reporting in Fremont County, Adam Herbets, Fox 13 News, Utah.